consultant. My name is Pam Engel, and I'm your team manager. And we just wanted to welcome you to Team Jamaritas and just let you know how excited we are that you've joined the Jamily. We are so happy you're here. Your sponsor will soon be sending you a welcome packet with tons of little freebies to kind of hold you over until your starter kit arrives. I want to encourage you to post any questions or concerns you may have on our team page, as there's always somebody online and willing to help. Soon, we're going to begin a 4-week training program, but before, there's a couple things I need you to do in order to get started. Your sponsor has invited you to a mock party on our team page. Please go to the party and start saving all the pictures that you see there. You'll need these pictures in order to do online parties. There's also extra pictures on Flickr if you want to check those out. Secondly, I'll need you to start creating your fan page on Facebook so you can share your excitement with all your friends and family and have them support you. Let's tell the world about your new Jamboree business. Thirdly, we need to decide when you want to host your launch party, your in-home launch party, as well as your online launch party. Lastly, I want you to start exploring Dashboard. So why not create your own launch party right now on Dashboard? Head over there and click on parties and enter all your information for you to be the hostess. All right, you're ready to get started. So now just let us know when you want to start your online launch party as well as your in-home party. For your online launch parties, we like to start parties on Wednesday and have them last for 10 days. This we are covering 2 payday Fridays. For your in-home launch party, we suggest that you pick 2 dates. This way you can have one on a weekday, like let's say Tuesday at 7, or like a happy hour type of thing, and then you can have one on the weekend. So if somebody says, oh, I can't make it to your Tuesday home party, you can always say, oh, well, why not Saturday? I have another date in mind. So welcome to the team, and if you need anything, always, please feel free to reach out to our team page, to your upline sponsor, and to me, of course. Keep in touch. Welcome to Team Jamaritas. We're thrilled you're here.